Welcome to our next healthy snack, and we are staying on the sweet train here with It's Your Time to Cook, Oklahoma. Once again, I got my daughter Rin with us, baby girl, our friend Bella, and we are gonna make energy balls. You might have heard them as peanut butter balls, but they're delicious, sweet, healthy for you. For young folks, it's a great treat to keep them away from the processed candy. For folks like us, if you want a late night snack, even after a workout, a protein ball, as you may or may not know, great for helping build muscle. And these are fun to make, they're easy to make, and we get to get messy again. Yay! Who wants to get messy again?
Yay!
Healthy and delicious. Nice. Your turn to cook, Oklahoma. Oklahoma! Woo! This is super simple and easy to do and have fun with your family doing it. Right, guys?
Messy is the best part.
Messy is the best part. Okay.
And tasty.
So we're gonna take our peanut butter right here. I love using a natural peanut butter. Make sure you stir it to keep the oils on. We're gonna put 2 cups of that right into the bowl. Here's what's super cool. Even with sweets, we can find Oklahoma ingredients.
Sweets.
We have, again, our Miller pecans. I've got about 3/4 of a cup from right here in Oklahoma. We're gonna go ahead and dump that. You guys cool with pecans?
Yes.
We cool? Yeah. All right, pecans. There we go. So we got pecans in.
Everything.
Now, another great product. So guys, I wanna talk to you about honey. Who loves honey? Love honey.
Bye.
Who thinks honey is super healthy?
Is it?
Honey was even used to cure cuts a long time ago. They would go up to the beehive, they'd climb up the tree, they'd get the honey hive, get the honey, and rub it over cuts and abrasions to help heal it because it's a natural antibiotic. But there's a catch to that honey. It needs to be local honey, and so we are lucky enough to have Okie honey from Work Farms here in Oklahoma. Honey is a great thing to add to tea, something like that. If you have allergies, use local honey. It's great. It's obviously use it as a sweetener. And once again, we're not using processed sugar, right?
Yes. Yep.
Okay.
No sugar.
So, we got a 1/4 cup of honey right in there. Now, I love, once again, salt. So I like sunflower seeds. You guys cool with sunflower seeds? And now, with this part of these balls, once you've got these ingredients, and then soon to be our oats, you can just have fun. A little bit of what you like, a little bit of what you don't. If you want to go really, you can do chia seeds, flaxseed. Now, most important to help bind everything together, we've got rolled oats. These are steel cut organic oats. So you can find steel cut organic oats most anywhere nowadays. So please make a point of look at. If you can't find organic, that's okay, I totally understand. But go for a steel cut. It's got a better grip and a texture on the oat. So we're gonna dump that right in. I got a question for you guys. Would you guys be mad if I put chocolate in there?
No. No.
What makes this chocolate special?
Because no sugar.
Boom, you got it, girl. No sugar added.
No sugar.
So do not feel guilty with your children to throw chocolate right in there. When we're just gonna, kind of like we talked about, we're just gonna kind of fold it all together, get it nice and bound up.
Why does that already look so good? Yeah.
Because it's delicious.
You gotta chocolate out.
Now it looks like it's all just like a ball that's forming together.
So we're just gonna work it and work it and work it. So you wanna make sure everything is really, really incorporated. That is key. You don't want anything lost because you really want them to bind well. The cool thing about these, when you're done with them, they will last in the refrigerator for up to about 3 months. You can also freeze them, and they'll last for even much longer than that. And then defrost them, just pull them out, have a snack whenever you want it. So as you can see, we've got it all nice and bound up together, nice and easy. And here's what's great about this, none of these ingredients are expensive, and you can find these things in the stores.
Whoa.
And I've seen little bags as expensive as $15 for a little of these.
Wait, really?
And we were able to put this together for less than 4. And as you can see, we're gonna get a lot more balls right here.
That's awesome.
So, we got to put together. You know what? You guys want me to get messy with you?
Yes.
Yeah.
All right. So the key here, guys, is you don't want them to be really big because they won't set. So we want to keep them small. Golf ball size is about where you want to be. The smaller is fine. Don't go too big. If you make a basketball with it, that's crazy. Do you think you could eat a basketball of peanut butter?
Yes.
I don't know. We'll see.
No,
All right. So we're just gonna get a little bit, just about like that. See? And then we're just gonna roll it up,
Okay. This is really sticky.
just like that.
Oh,
Boom.
it's sticky.
I like it.
Uh-huh.
Oh.
And you know what's really fun about this treat?
I love this at home.
After it sets in the fridge, it's done. But as you can see, they bind real quick and easily.
How do you make perfect bowls?
That's so
So
quick.
check it out. You gotta get the right amount. Good. And then just roll it in your hand. Just keep rolling it. Add a little bit of pressure. That way it binds together.
Oh, okay.
Make sure you do have pressure. And then boom.
Mine's flat. Munch.
You got like an island. You have a peanut butter island,
I
oat
have
island.
a peanut butter island. I love it.
all you need to do is make a palm tree.
All right, guys, I want you to do something for me.
What? I can't make it.
If you're cool with it, would you guys be down to try one of these real quick?
Yes.
Okay, so we're
Wait, are we
let's-
gonna cook them?
No, that's a good question, Ren. These are no bake. You do not have to cook these. You literally form the balls, put them in the fridge, and you're done. And like I said, for me, it's a great late night snack. It's a healthy sweet for these two beautiful
I
girls.
feel like I've had this.
And I get to use local products when I do it. Feel good
do we
about what
get
I
to
feed
eat
my
it?
children.
Wait.
And we can eat it.
We eat to eat all of these.
Go for it. Whoa! Whoa!
You know
You
what?
went big!
You know what?
Whoa! What do you guys think?
Normally don't like a bunch of peanut butter, but this is great.
Guys, this has been super fun. I've loved making these snacks with you. We can eat them at night. They're great replacements for sweets. And as you can see, Oklahoma, there are plenty of healthy, easy options you can do at home. It's an easy way to fight those late night munchies, to feed your kid healthy, fun snacks that they love that are sweets. And so please, give them a try. Tell us what you think. And if you come up with other ideas, take them, send photos, hit us up. We want to see what you're doing out there, Oklahoma. So remember, everyone, it's your turn to cook.
Join us on YouTube and Instagram for this weekly series and let us know how Healthy Oklahoma is helping you achieve a healthier life.
It is your turn to move.
Your turn to cook, Oklahoma.
Healthy Oklahoma is a program of the Oklahoma State Department of Health.
Stay healthy, Oklahoma.